Hello everyone, this is Crypto Maximalist. Welcome back to another video. Please like and subscribe if you haven't already, and get involved if you like the content. We're currently running a giveaway for those who are liking our videos, so give the video a like if you want to be entered into that giveaway. So taking a look at Verasity here, as we can see, things still looking very boring. A lot of people are saying that, Verasity is never going to move again, it's a dead project, blah blah blah. But we've seen in the past that Verasity has had absolutely crazy moves to the upside based on hype alone, and with the implementation of probably some of their technology pretty soon in a natural applicable way, followed by any announcements of partnerships, Binance listing, etc. We'll probably see the price heading to the upside. Obviously right now, as we said, things looking very boring, people losing interest in Verasity and thinking it's a dead project. We are down around 95% right now, I believe, from the all-time high. We got down as low as 96%, currently around 95.5% down from the all-time high. So clearly, a lot of downside has been had, but we do think realistically that things are going to continue to do well for Verasity in the long term. You can see these huge bullish divergences, price coming down, RSI coming up, which means that the momentum to the downside is losing steam, even though the price is decreasing more. And we can see realistically, we have, very low volume, just chopping sideways. Really, you can see by the candles here, the size of the candles, that things haven't really been moving for Verasity that much at all. Right now, looking like potentially we are starting to, lose momentum to the downside as we do something like this. Starting to, have this curved bottom kind of pattern, aren't we? And we do think most likely that Verasity is probably going to see, has seen most of its downside in our opinion. Judging from what we're seeing on the technicals here, you'd expect that Verasity is probably going to have a bit of a renaissance to the upside, breaking out of the 20 EMA hit, back testing it as support and looking like it wants to challenge that 55. Just like we did here, where we coiled up and had a little bit of a move to the upside. We've broken out and we're coiling up here. And a little bit of a move to the upside here as well would obviously be nice to see. Getting up to around that, 0.75% level that we have been talking about for a good while. At the 0.23 Fibonacci as well. But really, until we see any moves from that, Verasity is just chopping sideways, isn't it? And unless we see a break of this low, down here around that, 1/3 cent level, or we're heading up to that 0.75 level at the Fibonacci, then realistically, we're not really doing that much at all, are we? If I just pull a fib here from this low, from this high to this low here, you can see some of the levels that we are looking to target. We're currently stuck under our 0.23 here at around that 0.0042 cent level. But, if we can break through this and start moving up through our fibs, we do think that we are going to see Verasity making its way back up to this swing high here. In our opinion, you can see how well these were respected on the way down as well. It's pretty interesting to see just how much, even though, you can't actually draw the fib from there to there on the way down, just how much this was respected on the way down, these Fibonacci levels, as, resistance, support, resistance here. And now looking like potentially we could see ourselves making our way back up through the fib. So, as we said before, Verasity really just doing what it needs to do. Right now looking super boring, but we do think